What up, guys? So in this video, I want to quickly show how to claim your token. So of course, you head over to Telegram where you have the dogs. They have 35,912 dogs. I wasn't an active user. I wasn't doing all the things. It is small and it's fine. If you did it hard work, you'll get more than this. So how do you claim? What you do is to click on deposit to exchange. When you click on that, you have exchange and wallet in Telegram. Now I want to use exchange. So I want to make sure the exchange is the one that is selected, and I'll click on continue. So I have OKS and Bybit. OKS is in Nigeria, so I will just stick with Bybit. If you don't have an account with Bybit, I'll leave the link in the description for you to sign up. Of course, it comes with bonuses if you use my account. So I'll click on send here. Okay, yes, I have Bybit account. So what I need is my Bybit UID, docs deposit address, and the memo. So I'm going to head over to Bybit. So what I will do is I'll click on this head and shoulder icon at the top left corner of my app. You can see my username, and below my username you see UID. I'm going to click on it. So that is my UID. I'll head over to Bybit UID on top claim page, paste it there. The next thing is to get the address. I head back here, click on the asset column, then I want to click on deposits, then deposit crypto, and I will search for dogs. So what I'll do is click the search button and type DOG. So it's going to show me dogs here. I'll click on it, then click on turn. So you now see the wallet address and you see the tag. The tag is the memo. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and copy the wallet address by clicking here. Then I go and paste it here. This is my dog wallet address. Then I go back for the memo. I'll copy the tag. I'll copy it and I'll go ahead and paste it here. So I'll click on send. Okay, it's giving me a summary of what I've done. Now it's also important that you have completed KYC, right? So on your Bybit accounts, make sure you have completed KYC. If you're in Nigeria, simply using your BVN will just have KYC done. If you're in other countries, you can use your government issue IDs. You can also use government issued ID in Nigeria, but I noticed that using your BVN just makes it fast, and it's okay. Your BVN is safe on Bybit. So I'm going to click on confirm. So deposits is in progress. Woof. So that's simply how you do this. Now, a few things I need to mention is this. If you have multiple Telegram accounts, as many people do, and you have dogs in multiple Telegram accounts, you may do this and no voila, the same thing. But it is safe that you don't get a claim with Bybit on this one and still claim with Bybit in another one. You can claim with Bybit in one, claim with OKS in the other one. Alright, because OKS you can still use in Nigeria to the 30th of this month. You can claim with Bybit in one and claim with your Townkeeper wallets or your Telegram wallet is fine. So just take note of this when performing this task. So this is simply how you claim your dogs.